The following video is an OMNITURN GT-75 Series 2 CNC gang lathe. The serial number of this unit is 4807G4. The machine is new 2014. Blair is going to run a brief video of demonstration for us today.
We'll start out by jogging the Z-axis. And the X. And then we'll run the spindle. It's at 50%, we'll set it at 2000 and then adjust. Right now we're at 1000 RPMs at 50%. That's 100% 2000. $600. Back to 50%.
It's currently at 1000 RPM.
Chuck.
That's the drawbar, open and closed. Again, the following video is a OMNITURN GT-75 CNC lathe. The serial number of this unit is 4807G4.